What is up, guys? It's Twitch Beatbox, back with another video. It is pouring rain out there. I just shot Ralph out of his own house and it's pouring up. Oh fucking god. Oh shit, man. Yeah, you fucking do it. You're not being a pussy anymore. I'm a pussy. You're a fucking pussy. Alright guys, if you don't leave a comment, like and subscribe, I won't do it. Even though I'm going to end up doing it anyway. He's going to lock me out even longer than what I did to him. And I've got asthma. Oh. I'll probably end up having an asthma attack because of that cunt. Just don't put me any longer, okay? Wow, that was amazing.
Oh, that's weird shit.
Wait, do you have like... Right, but you can lock me out. Yeah. Alright, don't lock me out. Ready? So, here I go! Ah! Fucking cold!
Go outside, you know.
And that is the end, really.